Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and the video I posted showing Windows 11 running on real old hardware and running at a decent speed also kind of gives us an interesting take on, how technology advances by having companies like Microsoft just force us to get newer hardware. And, we've known for a long, long time that Microsoft and the PC manufacturers are often working hand in hand because, new Windows equals new PC, and manufacturers are happy because every time there's a new Windows, their sales spike. But this is a clear demonstration that apart from some features, um, security features that you might want to use that require the newer technologies, I would push so hard that in today's world where computers are getting so expensive, and there's the e-waste problem, people throwing away perfectly good computers that just are, can't run the latest Windows version, makes you want to just kind of say to Microsoft, okay, enough's enough. How about you drop the Windows 11 minimum requirements and have people run Windows 11 on older machines, typically almost all machines that run Windows 10 right now. And, say simply put a warning that if you want to use, BitLocker encryption, if you want to use some of the security features, well, that you will have to have the latest technologies and the TPM chips and so on to have that security on. But I don't know. This just tells us that once again, we said it from the beginning when Windows 11 came out 5 years ago, that it seems really arbitrary where they decided to put the minimum requirements. I totally understand that for the security part, the TPM chip and all of that could be required. But how about just saying, this is what you get, and it's going to work fine if you don't have the latest technology. But if you want to use, the latest security features, well, you will need to have the newer technologies and just open up Windows 11, Actually, they want to have people on Windows 11. Well, you know what? How about next year? Just say, okay, well, end of Windows 10, we're not going to extend it again. But hey, we're having a new, version, or, just split the versions. One thing that they could do easily is, how about you do the own version that runs on older hardware with that Windows 10 can run on, and say that every other version, Pro and above, requires the latest versions of technology and requires the TPM chip. That could be easily done. And I think in today's market, where PCs and RAM prices and everything is going up at a crazy price, and the fact that let's stop the e-waste stupidity, it'd be a really, really good move on Microsoft, which of course will not do it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.